Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Expedition key fob battery. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Having these specific items ready will ensure the process is smooth and efficient. This simple task can be completed quickly, restoring full functionality to your key fob in just a few minutes. Now, let's proceed to open the key fob. Carefully examine the casing to locate a small slot, typically found on the side. Gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this designated slot. With a slight twist or a careful prying motion, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Exercise caution to avoid applying excessive force, as the plastic components can be delicate. With the key fob now open, you will clearly see the old battery nestled in its compartment. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side faces upwards. Carefully use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Next, insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side is oriented exactly as the old one was. This precise placement ensures proper electrical contact and functionality. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring they fit together perfectly. Gently press them together firmly around the edges until you hear a distinct click, which confirms they are securely closed. Once fully reassembled, it's important to test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking your vehicle, to ensure the new battery is working correctly and your fob is fully operational.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.